Good day everyone. Today I will be reporting about the liver, which is known as the largest gland and one of the most vital organs in the human body. It is located in the upper part of the abdomen, just below the diaphragm. So the liver is very important because it performs many essential functions such as filtering toxins from the blood, helping in digestion through bile production, and storing nutrients. Without the liver, dili pud siya hapsay ang proseso sa ato ang lawas. Now, when it comes to its structure, the liver is divided into two main sections or lobe. First is the right lobe. Mao ni siya ang dako nga part sa liver. It occupies most of the right upper abdomen. Since it is bigger, it handles a large portion of the liver's overall function. Second is the left lobe. Most of ni siya ang mas gamay nga section, and it is extend into the upper left part of the abdomen. Bisan pa og gamay ni siya, it still plays an important role in processing blood and producing bile. So the next is pancreas. One of the main function of the pancreas is to release digestive enzymes into the small intestine. Kini nga mga enzymes is tabang ni siya sa pag-breakdown sa different types of food such as lipids or fats, proteins and carbohydrates. Without these enzymes, lisod kaayo sa ato ang lawas ang pag-process sa pagkaon ug pagkuha og nutrients. So, the pancreas is also work with the brain and digestive hormones such as secretin and cholecystokinin. These hormones signals the pancreas kung kanos siya mo release og enzymes or pancreatic juice. Pananglitan, kung ang acidic food mo abot sa duodenum, ang secretin mo trigger sa pancreas to release bicarbonate to neutralize the acid. So, the pancreas is also work with the brain and digestive hormones such as secretin and cholecystokinin. These hormones signals the pancreas kung kanos siya mo release og enzymes or pancreatic juice. Pananglitan, kung ang acidic food mo abot sa duodenum, ang secretin mo trigger sa pancreas to release bicarbonate to neutralize the acid. Then the next is 16.7, which is the large intestine. Ang large intestine mo ang last section sa digestive tract, and it mainly deals with the leftover food that cannot be broken down anymore. Usually fiber o uban pang indigestible materials. The large intestine is composed of several parts: the cecum, ascending colon, transverse colon, descending colon, sigmoid colon, rectum ug ang anal canal. Each section plays a role in processing waste from the body. One of the most important functions of the large intestine is water absorption. While the leftover food moves through this organ, the large intestine removes water from the waste and return into the bloodstream. Mao ni ang reason ngano ang atong stool mahimong solid without proper water absorption. Makasinati ta og diarrhea o dehydration. The large intestine also contain beneficial bacteria that helps break down small amounts of leftovers materials. These bacteria helps produce vitamin like vitamin K, which are important for blood clotting. Busa maski dili na ma-digest ang food, ang bacteria sa colon makatabang gihapon. And that's all for my part, and my co-reporters will continue the topic.